everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin' here. I just unboxed an awesome palette from a new liquidator called Direct Liquidation. The link is in the description below, so you can check that out if you're interested in it. I bought it via auction, and I'm going to tell you exactly what I think I can make from this palette, and also unbox a bunch of the mystery boxes that you already saw me unbox in the first video. If you haven't seen the first video, check it out. It's really interesting. Again, this is from a company called Direct Liquidation. There's their logo right there. I bought this box auction style, this palette. It is a Direct Liquidation palette. I paid $550, auction style, assorted toys, new, like new, and customer returns. So I'm going to give you some specs on a few of the things that I've looked up, but I wanted to give you a total number, so just stay tuned, and then we will unbox some of the mystery boxes. So this number is based on what I came up with before the mystery boxes. So if there's money in there, that's not in this number. So I've scanned quite a few things like this one here. After fees and shipping it in is going to bring me roughly about $20. And then the BB-8s, they're in rough condition. They're selling for $77 brand new on the Amazon platform. And so after fees, that would be around $48, but they're not in new condition. So I'm thinking I'll probably sell them on hookedonpickin.com or Facebook Marketplace, especially if they're fully intact, for around $30 a profit a piece. And I've got 3 of those. This one here actually turned out to be a really good find. This one's going to be, after fees, going to be around $50 that I'll be able to get for this Millennium Falcon, and it does work. Makes noise. So I'm just going to kind of give you some of the highlights here. I've looked up quite a few of the items here. These Deadpool Weapon X, these were going to be about 20 bucks a piece that I'll make on these. I've got 3 of these Legends Black Panther figurine sets. Those are going to be roughly $17 to $20 a piece. And these are numbers I'm giving you after fees, after shipping it in. And so that's actual total profit. And so, and then these here are going to be roughly right around 30 bucks a piece that I'll make. Or no, sorry, I had the wrong number on this one. But this one's about $50 a piece after fees that I'll get on this. And it's selling for quite a bit more than $50, but because of the size and the fees. So I've got 2 of those. So I have $100 already that I've made back of my $550 just from those 2 remote control cars. And those are brand new in package, fully intact. So what I think I can make from all of these toys, quite a few of the items can go on to Amazon because they're brand new and unopened. And those will be really easy flips for me to just ship off to the warehouse even today, just after listing for about an hour. And then everything else, this is what I want you to hear from me. So listen, this is a palette from Direct Liquidation. You must utilize other platforms to make your money, all right? So a lot of this is going to go on hookedonpickin.com. A lot of it's going to go on Facebook Marketplace, eBay. You must utilize other platforms in order to move some of this product. Like I said in the first one, I've got some Melissa and Doug toys. I can't sell those on the Amazon platform. I'm restricted, I'm gated. I can't sell that one, but I can easily sell a brand new Melissa and Doug toy on eBay or hookedonpickin.com. And so remember to utilize and make diversify using other platforms to sell these things. So I think with all of these, remember I spent $550. It's from Direct Liquidation. I believe that I'm going to make around $850 total. So I'll make my $550 back plus an additional $350. It should not take me long to get all this listed. I think probably 3 hours worth of work is probably all I'm looking at, unless I want to really be super investigative with some of those things. And then we're going to also check out these mystery boxes. So $300 a profit for sure. Let's go on this way, and we're going to go ahead and open all of these mystery boxes and see what we've got in there. If you watched the last video, the first person to guess something correct out of these mystery boxes was going to get a free Hooked on Pickin' hat. And so I hope that you have been a winner. I don't know who the winner is yet. I'll announce it on one of my live streams that I always do Thursday at 11 o'clock. But let's see what is in these. So the mystery box I opened on the last video pretty much was a brand new item. It was just out of its original packaging. So let's see what's in these. Oh, this makes me so happy. It's a Leap Pad. I'm going to pull it all the way out. Comes with the charging cord. And it's a Leap Pad, Ultimate Leap Pad. So those are gonna sell really good. The nice thing is it has the charging cord so I can plug it in and test it. And if it's working, I'm definitely going to be putting this on hookedonpickin.com or Facebook Marketplace to sell it very, very quickly. So I've got that one opened. And my guess is this might be the same thing, but we're gonna open all of them. So this is Mystery Box Reveal from Direct Liquidation. So it's in the same size box, but it's obviously a different item. So let's see what this is. I'm gonna wipe my hands off because this is a stuffed animal. I don't want to get it dirty. Oh, look at it. I sing and dance. I don't know if I'm pressing the right spot. I don't know where to press the spot.
I used to sing and dance.
No, it doesn't use to sing and dance. Press my badge. Oh.
Yeehaw!
So it still works.
Leaping lassos. I'd say we make a mighty fine team.
I believe so too. Thank you, ma'am. Alrighty. So there was, well, I'm sure it dances every time you press it. Well, further down the pressing line. Leaping lassos. So I was thinking when I opened it up that everything in a similar size box was going to be the same item, but this really is a mystery and fun hunt. All right, what is this? This is a baby pack and play. No, it's a toddler tent. So if you zoom in on this picture real close, it's just like the American Girl, and then Target does Our Generation, and then Walmart does My Life dolls, and they're basically all kind of American Girl size things, but this is a tent for that size of an 18-inch doll like that. So, all right, let's look into some of these little ones. Ooh, a stuffed toy. It feels very heavy. So it looks like, oh, I think they might have reboxed this just because it's a stuffed toy. I bet it walks or something. Little Live Pets Rolly, My Kissing Puppy instruction book. So it rolls. It's like an electronic rolling dog. That's cute. All right, and then let's go to this one. Spider-Man Spidey Shot refill. Red silly string labeled Spider-Man. Clearly used. So that will go, I will file 13 that one.
I don't understand.
You don't understand file 13? All right, what's this one? They're really good with wrapping stuff up. Oh, look, it's like a little teether ring for babies.
North Carolina.
North Carolina. So if you want a North Carolina teether ring, check that out. It's even got the barcode. So this one is brand new. They just put it in a box.
$80 teething ring.
It's an $80 teething ring, absolutely. Let's look in one of the envelopes. Let's see what we got. Oh, okay. It's a Star Wars mystery box. Brand new, totally in package.
Cool.
Yeah, that's cool. So here's more money. I'm going to put the envelopes over there. Let's see what this is. So these obviously are just items that they didn't want to get damaged in the pallet shipping. So that's kind of neat to know that they take the extra care. This is a stuffed animal. I don't want to get them dirty with my dusty hands. Cute little, it's got like a hood. Here, get inside the bag. I don't know what that's for, but
That is odd.
plush toy. Oh, well, if I would read the tag, I'd understand. Okay, it's a plush toy that comes with a real person hat. So it's a baby hat,
Sure.
or you can suffocate your plush toy. Just ignore my stupidity. Just ignore my stupidity.
Stuffed animal's got a hood on. Oh my word, what are we doing?
All right. Don't suffocate your toys, kids. Don't suffocate your toys. All right. Okay, this one's clearly been opened. Some sort of a building connects. Yeah, it's a connects set. So And I am not going through and counting all them. So if you want a half broken Connect set, you just contact me at hookedonpickin.com and it's yours for the price of probably $1 plus shipping. For that matter, just pay for shipping. All right. Oh my goodness, it's a baby costume of a skeleton. Okay, this is just a creepy costume. It's a creepy costume.
Who wants to make their baby a skeleton?
Well, you know, if the baby is dressed as a skeleton and it's suffocating its toy, then you got issues. This has gone down the rabbit hole. We've entered a new realm of weirdness. All right. Okay, we've opened that one. Let's see what's in this one. So, you know what's really cool is I'm going to utilize all these little boxes for sure. So I'm always looking for smaller boxes to ship items. So, a little figurine. Oh, this is from the Shimmer and Shine series. And so she's a preschool character. So a little Shimmer and Shine. This is brand new, just not in the packaging. It's clearly, I mean, you can tell from the hair that it's clearly never even been played with. So, all right, let's see what's in this one. All right, this is Boxer Instruction Manual. Little remote. Got stickers to put on it. And a little guy that drives around. And a ball. Okay then.
It's a little robot.
Little robot.
They only do your laundry and dishes.
I know. Where's the laundry robot? If anybody finds a laundry robot, just send him my way. Because I need me a laundry robot.
I would pay good money.
I would pay really good money for a laundry robot. Oh, look, it's another suffocation toy. I mean, a little bunny with a hat. Those are actually really cute.
That's like a marketing idea that they didn't think through completely.
Yeah, like don't attach the hat there. Like you could have
attach it to the foot or
the foot or the
side.
tag
Yeah,
or
the tag. Yeah.
But they're like, no, we're gonna watch some stupid YouTuber put the hat in the wrong spot and make it popular. All right. Oh, here's another Elite pad, green one, with all of the instructions and cord and everything. So this one actually has more than just the charging cable. So those sell really well. Set that down here. Ooh, this one's heavy. I wonder if it's... I had something else that was heavy. Ooh, it's one of those rollover dogs, I think. Nope. What is this? It's a costume.
Oh, that's a good time
Aww. Yeah. So I'll probably put these on my Poshmark store. Or if it has a tag. It doesn't have a tag. Yeah, that's a really cute one. Little fox. Put your baby in that, not the skeleton.
Is that a fox or a wolf?
Wolf probably, you're right. That's why I keep him around. He's smarter than me. All right. Wrapped up something. Try me. I think you have to pull this out to make it. It slurps. It makes a slurping sound. See? Slurps, and I sing rock music. It's called Silly Squeaks.
Do it. Pull the thing out. Let's see.
Well, I don't want the battery to go dead.
It'll be fine. Broke. Yeah. Good deal. Now we don't have the rights to the song, so
Right.
so it'll ban our.
Shh. It's going to keep playing. Okay. All right. Remember, all these things in the mystery boxes have come from direct liquidation. Oh. Now that's a creepy fish.
Carp.
Yeah, looks like it. It's a Pokemon, that's why. It's a Magikarp. Aren't you proud that I know what this is called?
Yeah, you do.
This is a Magikarp. It's because I have a son, and he was obsessed with Pokemon, and now he plays football, and he could beat up a Pokemon. All right, so it's a Magikarp. All right, let's see what's in this one. Brand new toy, a Street Fighter Nano Metal Figures. And then we have a cute little fuzzy bunny. Oh, it's a...
Somebody's going to be a really good guesser.
I know, because I would not have guessed. And it's all different stuff. We'll see how close people get on the first video.
You get Suffocation Baby Doll.
We're going to give it to you.
Give it to you.
We're going to give it to you.
That's just sick and wrong.
It's a rubber necklace.
It's a necklace?
But it's rubber. I don't know. Maybe it's like a teething necklace or something. I don't.
Okay.
It's
wow.
seashell necklace. All right, let's see. Ooh, there's a lot in this one. Ooh.
Pokemon cards?
No, Topps baseball cards.
Oh.
So I'll go through the whole stack. So here we've got the Twins. Minnesota Twins. This one has free collector's case. This one has 14.
Somebody loved the Twins.
And it's all
Twins.
Mr. Joe, the catcher.
Or Twins. Twins.
Alrighty.
Okay.
So a bunch of baseball cards.
I'm a Minnesota Twins fan.
There you go.
That's Tom Robin. I think he likes Twins, right?
Yes, yes he does. A little bear with an F on it.
Nice.
Yep.
For forest fire.
For forest fire. Only you can prevent forest fires. Thank you, Smokey the Bear. All right, last one. Just broke it. No, I think it's wooden pieces. Last mystery item. I have to... Okay, listen. Don't grill with wooden tongs because you will light yourself on fire, folks. Unless you're making a hamburger.
Wooden hamburger.
A wooden hamburger. Oh, wait, here we go. There's the meat. They're magnetic. No, they're Velcro. Okay, hold on. I need to put all these toppings on here because you got to have all the good stuff on your hamburger. All right, let's see what else is in here. You got a hot dog with stuff on it. Steaks. Corn on the cob. Cheese. Spatulas and a knife, lettuce, and a pork chop. There you go. It's a kid's wooden playset. That's actually really cute. So now you know what's in the mystery boxes. It's actually stuff that was in some brand new condition so that it was protected in the pallet, because clearly when it's in a pallet, you know, it's open to the elements to an extent. So I definitely think I can get some more money out of these kinds of things. So I hope that you were one of the winners that guessed on the first video. Like I said, I'll take the very first comment that was remotely close to being correct, because this is a huge variety of things that were in the mystery boxes. Hopefully it's been fun to see what you can get out of the mystery box, and also all the other toys you can get from direct liquidation. Check the link in the description below. And remember, I'm going to make at least $850 off of reselling all of this stuff with a $300 profit. And then that was not even any of the mystery things. So I'm definitely going to add to that profit. I always give very conservative numbers. Remember, you have to sell on multiple platforms to make money on pallet reselling. So check it out. I got a lot of good tips and tricks on a lot of my other videos. And so if you haven't watched any other Hooked on Pickin' videos, check it out. Check out hookedonpickin.com if you want to see any of these toys for sale, as well as my other platforms. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.